Hey everybody, it's Andrew from Uplynk, and we are super excited to be installing a Starlink Satellite internet system. We're here at a customer's home in beautiful Calebogie, Ontario. We got tons of snow last night, and that's definitely something that's going to play into how we choose where the system's going to be installed. But yeah, this is the customer's home, and in this video, what I want to show you is what a typical Starlink satellite internet installation is going to look like, so that you feel confident having Uplynk come to your home and do your internet installation for you. So when the Uplynk technician gets to your home, first thing he's going to do is knock on your door, introduce himself to you, and then he basically needs to find out some information. Where the dish is going to be located outside, and where the modem is going to be located inside, and the path that the wire has to take from the dish to the modem. So he's going to want to go on a tour outside of your home, and he's going to need to go on a tour inside of your home. After he does those tours with you, he's going to be able to tell you the location of the dish and the location of the modem, and with your approval, he'll be able to then proceed forward with the installation. Sometimes you might need additional mounting equipment, but the technician will go over that with you. The purpose of this is so that we can give you the cleanest and neatest installation possible for your satellite internet system, so that you have years of enjoyment of your satellite internet. Okay, so we've completed our indoor and outdoor tour of the customer's home, and we've determined the customer's chimney is actually going to be the best location for the install. We used the Starlink app at the location where the dish is going to go to make sure that there's no obstructions in the sky blocking the view from the dish to the satellite. You have to use some different mounting equipment than what is included with the Starlink dish, because the Starlink mounts aren't actually going to work on the customer's chimney. That's not a problem, because we bring lots of different mounting equipment to every Starlink install we do, so that we can put the system in the best spot for the best signal possible. The wiring is going to come down from the chimney and follow along his existing antenna cable, and then it's going to come down his eavesdrop spout here and into his furnace room, where we're going to connect to his home network. Okay, so David has the dish on his back here. It actually comes with this little carrier, and he's got the mount mounted up on the customer's chimney. So he's going to head up there with the dish, and he's going to put it on, and then we're going to run the cable inside. Should be good. So David is just putting the dish on now. So David is just securing the cabling now, so that we can bring it over to the corner here, and then down the wall and into the furnace room. Yeah. They are, like, there's still quite a bit of dexterity to them. Yeah. Going inside with it. Nice. Very
Yeah, that went really well.
It looks good. So as you can see here, the wiring comes down from the dish, then it runs along the eaves trough, it comes down the spout here, and then we've just got it running along the front of the house there, hidden underneath the siding, and then we're going to go into the basement from there and into his furnace room. Alright, so we've run our cable from the dish and we've brought it over here to the front of the customer's house. Down in this location you can see with all this piping and everything coming out, this is actually the furnace room where the customer wants his modem to be located. So we've just double checked our whole location inside the home and verified that it's actually going to be right here. So here's our Starlink wire here. It runs over to this location and we're just going to drill a hole right inside of the furnace room and bring our wire right into the home that way. Alright, so we're here in the customer's furnace room, which is actually the demarcation for the wiring that's coming in from outside from the dish. We've run the cabling here, and then it's actually run down just to this location right here. The customer is going to actually renovate this space and turn it into an office later, so we're just going to leave it here because he's requested that we do that. And the next step is to plug it in and see what happens.